Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create Amazon account without phone number 2025 guide step by step. So first of all you have to go to your browser and search for Amazon and click on amazon.com, not the associate, Amazon official website and amazon.com. Just have to click on here and you just have to uh, sign in or create account. So after that you just have to click on continue and proceed to create an account. And after clicking on here you can give your name here and password uh, as you want. You can re-enter your password here and we will just provide the email here, and after that uh, they'll try to solve this puzzle to protect your account. Choose all the hats, and this is also hat and confirm. And the chair, and that's confirm and it's successful. And you have to verify your account of by going to your email and right now. And after verifying your account here they will ask you for your phone number. You just have to click on the not now option here. It's for your account security, they want it. You already gave the email, so you don't have to give the account mobile number. So that's how you create an Amazon account with your phone number in 2025. So see you on the next video.